Hello everyone, my name is Brittni Carter and this is my week 4 research project. I chose to do mine on Ember.js. It's pretty popular, I'm sure. Many of you have heard of it. It's used by a lot of larger companies like Yahoo, Square, Living Social, Groupon, a ton more. And I guess it's known for being a single page, being used for single page applications. It's definitely used on a lot more interactive applications as well. Probably why, Groupon, Living Social, apps of that nature would use them. And it also is known for making navigation quick. It is also a model view controller model, and it uses handlebars.js for templates. It was created in 2011 from Sprout Core. It's like I guess a spin-off of Sprout Core. It is Sprout Core 2.0, but they changed the name to Ember.js in 2011. So you can download everything here on the site, which I found to be pretty easy. And then, much like Angular, it has the guides, blogs. If you have any questions or want to see anything else, excuse me. But I found installing Ember, I found that to be pretty helpful in getting started. There's a glossary, which is also a lot like what I spent a lot of time using for Angular. And then it breaks down the core concepts. So the core concepts for Ember being templates, router, components, models, and route. But probably what I found most helpful when trying to learn more about Ember was going to the Code School site and watching a lot of their videos and following that. I'm more of a visual learner, so this definitely helped a lot. I also went to YouTube. There's a long list, of course, of videos here that you might be able to find helpful. But while I was at the Code School, they suggest that you download Bootstrap and use that alongside Ember. So I did that. After a lot of trial and error, I wasn't able to create much. So it was still a little difficult for me, but I think, if I had more time to work on it, it probably would be more successful. But this is what I came up with, just a simple list with the concepts. So templates, router, components, models, what I mentioned before that they discuss here on the site. So to create that list, this is what I came up with. So this is the header, which is here. Then the concepts is the third header here. And then it's really about how I got the list. So these items here. And this reminded me a lot of Angular. Just in the process and how we're using labeling everything in that process. So then at app.js, this is the function that I use in order to create that list. So the return for this item here in the code would be this list. So, and then I also have each item in model. So it's going to list each item that I place here. And so it's going to list template, router, components, models. There's obviously a lot more that you can do with Ember, but so far that's really all I could get to work. So I definitely need more help there, but I think it's good. Doesn't seem as easy to use for me as Angular was, but you know, maybe if I had a class on it or more help, it would work out. Thank you for watching.